Hi everyone and welcome to Happily Organized Chaos. Today we are decluttering the powder room and I'm going to take you along for this. If you enjoy decluttering and organizational videos, please give this one a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button down below. It would mean the world to me if you did enjoy my YouTube family. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it and start decluttering. So this is a look at the cabinet that I am going to be decluttering right now in our powder room. We have a ton of storage here. Right now I am storing my Bath & Body Works candles on the top shelf, and I made a promise to myself not to buy any new ones until all these ones are finished. And then the next shelf has just a bunch of random things, and this white bin here should be all hair products for Madeline, and there's no organization at all, so I really want that to change. So I'm going to take everything out and go through it one by one and discard any of the expired products, anything that we do not use or grab for, and then put it all back in.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without
So now I'm going to go through and see what's expired and what we just don't need.
Sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do.
something to show. Same old places and faces of people with nowhere to go. But we're not like them, we are better, both you and I know. Grab your car keys and jacket, 'cause honey, we're ready to go. Let's get in the car and you'll drive. We're leaving tonight, away from these streets and the cold buzzing neon lights. Been keeping our heads above water, struggling and striving. We ain't gonna turn back this time, we'll just keep driving. You've got one hand on money, one hand on the steering wheel, worlds passing by outside. The flickering light of the white lines in the corner of my eye. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. We got no money, but honey, we got nothing to hide. If worst comes to worst, I'll be Bonnie and you can be Clyde. We've got two hearts ready to fire and enough ammunition. A 6-seat, 2 hard-top DeVille with a 4-speed transmission.